What's this thing? The girls at my local Publix didn't know, but I do know, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, tasty treat that you've probably been missing since you started your low-carb lifestyle. On the next Peg's Keto Kitchen. Stay tuned. Okay, so once you have a pile of jicama sliced up like this, in a nice pile, looking like this, then you're gonna boil some water. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put the jicama fries into the water. They recommend boiling them about 10 minutes if you're gonna cook them right away. If you're not, if you wanna save them for later, for example, and freeze them, then they say 5 minutes. Okay, once your water's boiling, you're going to add your fries. I'm going to put as many fries as I think will fit safely in here. And then I may do something different with the others. I'll let you know in just a minute. Try not to boil myself here. And then we're going to cook these for 10 minutes. Okay, timer's up, and the jicama fries are all boiled up, so we're going to drain this out into a colander. So hopefully you've gotten enough water out of here, and this way, the less water you have, the crispier it'll be, I believe. And these tend to be kind of, look how floppy they are. They're floppy, okay? So I'm gonna try to use the air fryer to cook these because I think it may make them crispier. I've done these in the oven, but honestly, I'd like to, they weren't as crispy as I would like, so I'd like to see if they come out better in the air fryer. So that's our next step. Get your air fryer ready. If you don't have an air fryer, you can make these in the oven just like you would make, you know, oven-baked French fries. Ooh, look how translucent they are. Like you can almost see through them. I think that's really cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is go over here to my air fryer, turn it on. It's the on button. And your air fryer may be different, okay? If I press this M button, that's like the mode, and it tells you, see how the French fries come up? That's what you want. So now it's heating up, and we're gonna wait a few minutes, and once it's a little bit preheated, I'll put the fries in. Now we're gonna take the fries, jicama fries, in there. Our jicama fries, and we're going to put them into this big bowl. And they're still a little moist, but I think it's okay. And they're definitely softened. All right, to this bowl, we're going to add some oil. I'm using olive oil because that's, well, basically what I had around. Put it in here. They say in an air fryer you should not spray the inside basket because it can wear off the coating inside. Like that non-stick coating will come off if you do that. And actually I think that's true because I had one and the coating seemed like it came off after a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to season with salt and pepper. Salt. Little pepper. I love some paprika on my potatoes. That's a lot, but that'll be good. I'm going to mix them all up in just a minute. Toss them. That paprika came out way faster than it usually does, but that's alright. I think it'll be delicious. Okay. Okay, so put them in your air fryer basket, shake them up a little bit. Hang on, this kind of needs 2 hands. Okay. Now they're in there and they're going. Adjust your time. I'm going to say, find your little clock. I have a little clock here. I'm cooking it at 15 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to take the basket out. I'm going to shake it up and see if it works. Okay, here's hoping. Okay, now we got to stop this thing for a second. It's hot. Be very extremely careful. Ooh. I take them over to the stove because I don't want it to fall out of the machine and land on my feet. So you can just kind of make them flip a little bit. Put them back in there. Definitely turn off the timer. And we're going to put this whole contraption right back into the air fryer. Mine starts right back up. 7 more minutes. Woo, exciting. It's done. Let's check it out and see how it looks. Those look pretty good. We're gonna try them. Okay. Let's try one. I put a little salt on there because traditionally when you make French fries, you always salt them before you take them out of the oil or the basket or whatever. Okay. Look at that. They're a little floppy still. They are. Okay, let's try one out. Alright, I'm going to try one. Oh my gosh. Really good. Now, they're not as firm as regular French fries are, but they're delicious. I will definitely make them again. I might even... Let's see what happens when we put them back in the air fryer for a little bit. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to try a little trick I heard about on Keto Connect, which is that if you put baking powder on wings, like sprinkle a little bit, it can make them come out a little crispier in the air fryer. And I thought, like, well, if it works for wings, will it work for fries? Let's find out, shall we? Let's see. Bring it over here. I don't know. Okay, let's try these out. Really tasty, really savory, very good. They're a little soft, but they still have like a nice coating and texture to them. So I would say they would go very well on the side of a burger or steak or something where you'd normally have fries. You could probably even just make them as a snack, and maybe even put like, if you wanted to put like cheese or something on them, that'd be awesome too. Like and subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful, and tune in to the next Peg's Keto Kitchen.